Singles. Singles. Yep. Yep, yep. Oh! Oh! My name is Salem, and this is my journey. GT fishing begin. Yep, yep. Oh! Oh! Ow! Right, I saw the blow up. Oh, I get cut. Just one hook! Just one hook! Oh man, oh, it's just one hook! Just one hook! Just one hook! Dude! Dude! Switch forward! this crack. Stay in this crack. Yessah. You see him? Yeah. Careful, careful. Got him. Yessah! Woo! Off the Mukunui! Yessah. Oh, that's some good size. Some good size one. They go like cabby, guys. Yessah!
Allow me to sink in.
Good start in the morning. Bit kind of close. Mukunui! Using black hole and my saltiga. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Okay, let's get to it then. The morning just begun. Walked pretty far for this spot. Yeah, look at the terrain. It's insane in front of us. Come on, Pops, let's go. Damn, good fight. That whack just felt so big. I was like, what is this? But I guess I just never catch on for a long time. Stoked though, for sure. This is grinds, bro. Let's get, bro. I'm happy already. Singles. Singles. Yes, sir. Yeah. Using, I think it's the first time I caught something off this pole. It's the black hole East Coast special, the lightest one they get. And then 14K saltiga, 50-pound braid. I believe this is, yeah, 60 Verabass, I think, ocean record. I went small game because so I can fly my lure more far, you know. Okay. Tear the box.
Press.
Oh, how's that? 11 on the dot.
Yeah, that was, I guess that was 11.
Oh, this guy turned black. Yes, sir.
That was 11.
Nice. My first. No, it's not my first.
Was on the 11.
So, this is one Omilu Ulua. Omilua. Awesome. Where's the lure? Where's the lure? Oh! Beautiful lure. Such a beautiful lure for such a beautiful fish, eh? Well, that's it. Along with that beast, we also got some reds. Some nice sizes. That's the catch right there. That's the catch of this morning. From, when did we fish? Fished from like 4:40, 4:45 till 7. So about 2 hours something. Oh, that was fun. It's been a while since pugging, and I'm so happy that it bit so soon. It bit close. The fight was pretty fast. But other than that, yeah, that's the catch of this morning. This is my doggy, and let's just call this let's call it a video. Thank you guys for embarking with me on this journey. The part of the journey is the end. Until next time.